Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome again to Arabic Phone Repair Master. Today I brought you this one. So this phone is locked, as you can see. KG status is locked. So we are going to bypass it using SST. Don't forget, this video is for education purpose, nothing else. So let us be together. What you can do here, plug a cable, and you have to format the phone first. So you open your Samsung. Once it's opened, you can see here the phone is connected. Then open QR code. So you have to scan like this. Connect to Wi-Fi. As you can see, Wi-Fi is connected here. Here we go. You can close QR code. Please don't skip any step here. Please, it's very important. You can click remove. Click KG completed ADB. You click here, and then you do this one, allow. This one, factory reset block, and continue. Then you check the results there. Don't touch the phone, just leave it like that. Just be patient. As you can see now, the phone's going off and on. The phone is done. It's going to be on. Now it's on. So as you check here, you'll find that the phone is done. Complete setup with that device. All device will be fully functional. So you don't need to perform factory reset, because if you reset it, then it's going to lock again. As you can see, phone is done here. Do setup. As you can see, everything here is done. The phone is done. This is Arabic Phone Repair Master. Subscribe and share our videos. Comment, likes. Thank you for watching. See you the next video.